Welcome to another DIY project. Before calling the professional, maybe it's DIYable. This time, we are talking about using the woodworking skills to fix the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip that doesn't work on the Tesla wireless phone charger. We will build this little gadget from scratch to solve the problem, of course, matching the color on the Tesla wooden dashboard. You don't need to have a Samsung phone or a Tesla to enjoy this video. I want to show you the DIY skills can be used to solve all kinds of problems around us. My wife got this phone about 2 weeks ago and she complained she couldn't charge it on the Tesla wireless charging pad. We are going to trace the shape of the phone using a piece of paper as well as the shape of the charging pad using aluminum foil. Now I need some scrap wood. I got this junk from my mother-in-law because she works for American Express. This is supposed to be a credit card holder and a mobile phone stand. The good part is that this is hardwood, not softwood. You can tell from the grain, but what exactly is this wood? If you have good eyes, maybe you can put it down in the comment section. We need 1 inch in height and 3/4 of an inch in thickness. Using the paper template, mark the shape on the piece of wood. Use the chisel to outline the shape. This can prevent the wood from splitting. As I told you before, my specialty is not woodworking, but I got some skills unfortunately. I don't even have a woodworking bench like many others. I am using the Rockwell jaw horse and I love it. If you have a power wood router or router table, it may make your life easier. But I don't have that, so I am using some hand tools to do it. I want to prove to you, any non-professional DIY guys like many of you and myself can make good quality woodworking product. All you need is common sense. Looking very good. We will come back to this. Next, we need to work on the back. We are going to get rid of some wood in the middle, so we can put some rubber padding over there. This is to compensate the height of the rubber padding. What this does is to prevent this from sliding on the Tesla charging pad when the car is moving. Getting close, more sanding is needed. That's a little bit wide. We need to cut off some wood from both sides. The width is fine, it's just the corner is the problem. Let's work on that. I think most of you serious DIY people should have a Dremel tool in your toolbox. This model 395 Type 5 is at least 30 years old. I bought it when I was in high school and now it's still working. Amazing. It's made in USA, not the made in China crap. Next, we are going to use some fine sandpaper to remove the stain from the wood. It's very easy. It took me around 10 minutes. Look, all the stains are gone. To match the color of the Tesla wooden dashboard, I am using Minwax Dark Walnut 2716. Use a piece of cheesecloth and apply it to the wood. At this point, you will be like, WTF?
Oh my god, it's so dark.
Don't worry. Now use another clean cheesecloth to wipe off the stain. The wood grain will come back slowly, but not all of them. Wait for it to dry overnight. The next day, use some fine sandpaper to do some light sanding. This will remove some of the first coat. Any stain went between the fibers of the wood will stay. This will give the wood a lot of characters. Next, apply another layer of stain and repeat what we have done before. Wipe it off using a clean cheesecloth. See the wood grain? That's what we are talking about. Wait for it to dry overnight, then apply a final coat of polyurethane varnish. I am using satin finish from Minwax. Wait for it to dry overnight again. We are moving to the next step to cut some rubber padding. I got it from the dollar store. Generally speaking, I don't recommend anything from the dollar store, but this time is okay. It's pretty much self-explanatory. Just cut it using a utility knife and stick it at the back. Look, it fits perfectly. That's the DIY quality I am talking about. This is the finished product. It's looking really awesome. The phone just fits. Even if you do some cornering with the car, it should stay. Because Tesla wireless charging pad has the coil in the middle, which works for most of the phones out there. But it doesn't work for Samsung flip phone. Now, let's see what happens with this little piece of wood. It acts as a spacer, and it will solve the problem. The rubber padding is working as expected. It's not sliding because of friction, and it's removable because it's not sticking. Look, it works. It's charging. Show it to you one more time. It matches the color of the Tesla dashboard. What more can you ask for? I hope this can help you to solve the problem. If you find some good information in this video, give this a thumbs up. My goal is to inspire more people into DIY. Again, I am not a woodworking person. If I can do it, so can you. You may also want to check out other videos on my channel. I am pretty sure you will love them. Remember to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you next time.